This glitch is for getting organized to be a grown-up in your business.
Being grown up, you have goals. And Linda's going to tell you right now what the goal and the actionable item is on today's glitch.
Oh, I like how you did that. That was a great segue.
It's all about the G's. Go, Linda. July 1st, 2024. That means July, August, September, October, November, December. 6 months remaining in the BizGlitch leap year. 366 mistakes of the day, glitches of the day. It's BizGlitch 183 time.
It's not just that there's 6 months left of the BizGlitch 366 glitches. There's 6 months left in 2024. And if you're like us, it's like, where did 6 months go? Also, how are things going in your business? And how are you poised for the second half of the year? But that's not what the glitch is.
Or to use the inquiry from a LinkedIn freelancer to Linda from a couple of weeks ago, which we're going to do a separate video. I hope you're meeting your goals for this year.
That's going to be a fun video. But this glitch is, does your business pay for some or all of the owner's personal expenses?
Oh, that's a no-no.
There's a reason why it's worded this way, and you're the tax guy because we just actually did a glitch recently about monitoring your tax deductions. This is more of how are you structuring your compensation and how are the owners expecting payments to be made.
Just to be clear, when Linda says, Trevor, you're the tax guy.
Oh, yeah.
I am not an accountant. I am not a tax professional, and this video is not tax advice.
Right.
Okay.
Now, you've looked at thousands of tax returns to qualify for
have.
mortgages for 30 years.
As recently as just an hour ago.
Yes.
I read a tax return, which was for the wrong business that a client hired us for another business, and then they submitted the tax return for the wrong business, and that's a whole other thing. Mm-hmm. Using the business money for your personal expenses is a no-no.
Well,
unless you're a sole proprietor or independent contractor, where there's no corporate protection. There's no formed corporate entity such as an LLC, an S Corp, a C Corp, LLP, and etc. If you are just in the wind under your own name with no protections, which is a really bad way to do business, but if you are that, then you know, however you spend your money is how you spend your money.
Right, but when you have goals and aspirations of scaling and growing and making more money, then that's where things start to blur because it's not the case that you can just keep doing things the way you've been doing them. And that's one of the reasons this glitch project exists, because we saw businesses that were of a size that things were just jumbled and they weren't organized. And it's like, wait, I can't just pay my credit card from my business bank account because you have it all set up and it's just easier to do that way. The goal and actionable item is to review, even if it's the last 6 months, or a sampling to see if you're doing your own books or how the bookkeeper was doing it on your instruction or your direction, just to make sure how clean it is or not clean it is. And also we have a reference for you to review the differentiation between how business owners can pay their bills for business versus personal, and making sure that those things are being practiced in your business. And especially if you have other people and you've delegated and they're in charge, but you didn't know yourself, so maybe they're doing it the way you told them to do it. Don't do that.
Delegation, as you know, we are big advocates for delegation to free up your time, but delegating does not mean surrendering responsibility.
Yes.
Surrendering authority, and you must have an interactive experience with anybody, whether it's someone you hire on your employee team or an outside contractor, a CPA, or an attorney. Mm-hmm. There's nothing wrong with asking questions and looking over people's shoulders, because when all is said and done, the person who gets in trouble is you.
Right.
Not them.
Your business, your problems. So that's it. 183.